Ball snap number 14, Young. He's going to keep it up the middle, looking for some room. He's met early. Ball snap number 14, Young. He's keeping it, looking for some room up the middle. Ball snap number 14, Young. That's going to be handed off to Johnson. And he looks for some room and cuts back the other direction. He's going to be ball snap number 14, Young, handed off from the 34, Johnson. Ball snap number 14, Young, handed off from the 34, Josh Johnson. He fights his way forward to the ball snap number 14, Young. He looks to pass. Intended for number 2, Rhodes, but it is picked off by number 3, Ryan Solikowski. He breaks free of one tackle and is finally wrapped up and taken down.